Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the Goto statement in C programming. So, first let's take an example and then we will go to the theory and its syntax. So, here we have one example. So, here what I want to do, here I just want to print numbers 0 to 10 and then the addition, right? Addition of first 10 numbers. So of course we have already done this thing that for the addition of first 10 numbers, what we need first, take the value, either you can start from 0 or from 1 and then we'll go to till 10 and then I plus plus. So here we are performing sum is equal to sum plus I. It's very simple, addition of first 10 numbers. And after the for loop, here we are printing the sum. But there is some new thing in this example. So it is, if the value of I is 5, then go to where? Go to the addition. And what is addition? Addition is over here. So what will happen during the execution? It will start the execution 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the time when it will reach to the 5, we are talking about the value of I. So at the time when it will reach to the 5, it will check the condition. If I is equal to 5, yes, I is equal to 5, it will enter inside the loop in the block and it will check, go to addition. Go to is the statement in C which we use to jump at particular location. But where we want to jump? So here we have given the addition. What is addition? It's a label. We call it a label. So here it will directly jump from this statement to directly to the addition. Means 5 would be the last number for the addition. So now your answer would be 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, right? So it will print only 10. So this is the use of Goto statement, means you can jump directly to the place where you want to go. So this is the use of the Goto statement. Now see so here we have the theory. When a Goto statement is encountered, whenever compiler will encounter, what it will do, the control of the compiler jumps directly to the label, right? Remember this label, right? Directly to the label mentioned in the Goto statement, right? So the syntax of the Goto statement is simply write Goto, then the name of the label. The naming convention would be same as like variable, and where you want to where you want to send the control, so you can write the label name over there along with the colon sign. Remember this colon sign. Here we have a colon and here we have a semicolon, and after that you can write your other statements, right? So this is the syntax of Goto statement. Now let's see some little bit more theory about it. So what happens? Compiler reaches to the Goto statement, right, during the execution, and it will jump unconditionally. Keep in mind that we have not put any condition, like condition in the sense that where upward or the backward. So anywhere, both the direction, forward as well as backward to the location. It is very important, to the location specified in the Goto statement, and this location we call it a label, right? So simply like unlike the break and the continue statement, the Goto statement in C does not require any if statements to perform, right? We can simply mention Goto and we can mention the label name. Here we have written the condition because the program, it's a requirement of the program, but instead of writing if and any other condition, you can directly use the Goto statement. So this is about the Goto statement. You can use this, you can try different programs using the Goto statement.